everyone, I'm Justin.
Ciao, sono Michael.
Welcome to our Lake Como life. Today we are finally taking a cruise ship.
Well, not a cruise ship, it's the ferry.
Anyway, we're going to enjoy it. We've been waiting for this. It's a gorgeous Saturday, beautiful weather, and we're going to take advantage of it and be tourists for the day.
Yes, so I will let you guys know one thing after. But first I'm going to say, if you've not done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's the easiest way to help the channel grow. We thank you guys so much for it.
We appreciate it. Yes. And we filmed this after we've already done the journey to our destination.
So if you guys are planning on doing the ferry or any of the boat rides, be prepared for a long line to get your tickets. And also be aware of the fact that you're not going to be able to purchase your tickets in advance. They do have to be purchased
that day to use. And we got the day pass and we took advantage of it.
Yes,
and boy, we have beautiful things. There are treasures on Lake Como to show you ahead. So look forward to all the beauty.
And I will also say, Justin was upstairs on the ferry filming everything. And so that's why you won't see me a lot in this video.
Yep, I got the best seat in the house, I must say.
But for those of you that have mobility issues, the window that I was in front of was perfect. It allowed me to see everything that Justin was seeing.
And the ramp helped him on and off, and we were actually first on the boat, which enabled me to get the best seat in the house up top to film for y'all. So take advantage of that and enjoy the beautiful scenery. And we had lots of fun. And Mikey's first on with a huge line. Go Mike. Okay, so they're letting the priority people with mobility issues go first. Quite a big line for boarding, both sides. We got a day pass today, which was $29 each. That entitles us to get on and off wherever we'd like. As far as Bolano, of course, Bellagio, and everywhere else. Show you the tour. everybody. That was the greatest time on the cruise
It was
ship,
fun.
ferry boat, whatever you want to call
Not
it.
a cruise ship.
Well, it's cruise ship of Como. But anyway, we started off, we left, as you see, at 12 noon in Como. We got the day pass. It was 29.90 euros.
Yes.
So a great deal. And you can get off as many times and on different stops as you want. We chose just to take it as a scenic route, 2.5 hours to Bellagio.
Yeah.
We enjoyed a nice lunch in Bellagio. And then we decided to come back. And we came back, actually, we upgraded 5 extra to get a speedboat.
Yep.
Instead of 2.5 hours back to Como, we did a speedboat, which was like an hour. It was super quick. And we got back here at 7. We had to get back for our doggies.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, we could have went to more cities, but we had a great time just seeing
will
all the
say-
beauty.
I will say this about the ferry too, because it's not an important thing, but it is kind of a nice thing to know. If you're on that ferry and you're doing the, what was it, a 2-hour ride?
2.5 to
They do have refreshments.
Yeah, they did have
so
a little
that's really
restaurant
cool.
and refreshment bar. And they were really helpful with Michael getting on
Yes, they
and
were.
off, and everything was super, very, very helpful. Actually, it was first aboard. That was super
Actually,
great.
and it's really, really sweet because in Como, they took me to where I needed to go.
Yep.
And then when we were in Bellagio, she did the same thing. She
They
shut down
her
the
window.
counter
Yep.
and just
It was the
took
ticket
me.
girl. They shut it down, let other people wait, and took him. They were so nice to help the
So
disabled.
it's very sweet.
It was super, super sweet. We really appreciated it. Anyway, we will do Bellagio in a separate episode as it deserves.
Yes.
And we will say thank you very much here for watching. And I'll say what I always say, baci baci.
And dare to dream, you guys. Ciao.
See you next time.